Tonight, guys, we are here at Cambodia Vietnam Friendship Monument. So that one monument, that one. So welcome back to my channel. So we are here at Cambodia Vietnam Friendship Monument. So this is at night. This is what the GoPro at night. It's kind of dark. So I am currently testing the GoPro at night. I'm currently testing the GoPro at night. The quality of the camera of the GoPro at night. Okay. Yes, it's this, like this. That's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.